Get ready to experience pure audio bliss because today we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise-canceling headphones. These aren't just headphones, they're your personal sanctuary from the world's chaos. First off, let's talk about that industry-leading noise cancellation. It's truly mind-blowing. Whether you're on a noisy commute, in a bustling office, or just trying to focus at home, the XM5s create an unparalleled quiet zone, letting your music or podcasts shine through. Next up, the incredible 30-hour battery life means you can literally go days without needing a charge. From long flights to intense work weeks, these durable headphones will keep the immersive audio going, making them perfect for travel and daily use. And for the ultimate convenience, the multi-point connection lets you seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone. Imagine taking a call on your phone and then instantly switching back to your movie on your tablet without missing a beat. It's productivity and entertainment combined. What truly sets the Sony WH-1000XM5 apart is this seamless blend of cutting-edge technology, supreme comfort, and thoughtful design. If you're looking for the absolute best noise-canceling headphones for 2025, with features that genuinely enhance your daily life, then click the link in the description to grab your own Sony WH-1000XM5s on Amazon today. You won't regret this amazing upgrade.